Ooh, look at all the grimy and dusty friends. The excavator is covered in dirt. Cough, cough. Let's get you all clean. Up we go. Whoosh! Time for a nice, cool bath. Wow! Sparkle, sparkle. Squeaky clean and good as new. This bulldozer is covered in snow and dirt. Achoo! Come on now. Up you go. Splish! Let's wash all that grime away. Ta-da! A bright blue bulldozer again. So sticky. It's covered in yucky black oil. You're all oily. Time for a wash. Whoosh! Splash! Wash away all that slippery oil. Sparkle, sparkle. What a cool yellow dump truck. Yikes! It's a gooey, glopey mud monster. Don't worry, Muddy Roller. I'll rescue you. Up we go. Whoosh! Blast all that mud away. Swish, swish. So smooth and shiny. The road roller is brand new again. Oh my! All tangled in spider webs. Cough, cough. Let's get these webs off and give you a bath. Alley-oop. Splash. Whoosh. Look at the spider webs wash away. Bling, bling. The red crane looks so strong. Vroom, vroom. Look at that dusty cement mixer. You're all gray with dust. Come here. Gotcha. Splash. Let's spin and get you clean. Swirl, swirl. Squeaky clean. The bright green is back. So fresh. Sparkle, sparkle. All the clean construction friends are here. Yay!
Dirty toys, what a messy crew. Time for a wash to make you brand new. Orange excavator covered in brown dust. Looking so sad, its shiny color lost. A gentle hand comes down from the sky, picks you up gently and says, "Don't you cry!" Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Blue bulldozer in the snow and dirt, with the gloomy face feeling a little hurt. Yellow dump truck with oily sticky streaks, hasn't felt shiny for so many weeks. Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Muddy road roller can't even move. Red crane and spider webs losing its groove. Green cement mixer all dusty and gray. The big water shower is coming to save the day. Washy, washy, time for a scrub. Splashy, splashy in the bubbly tub. Whoosh goes the water, swish goes the spray, washing all the dirt and grime away. Hooray! Look at them now, so bright and so clean. Orange, blue, yellow, red, and green. Sparkle, sparkle, what a happy team. Ready to play now. What a happy dream. All clean. Yay!
Vroom, vroom! The red dump truck races along, full of soil. Oh no! The road has ended. Its front wheels stop right at the dangerous edge. Whoa! It falls right into the river. Splash! After losing all its soil, it floats helplessly down the river. Now, a green mixer truck appears. Whir, whir! It drives along, spinning its drum. Oops! It hits a little stone and flies into the air. Spinning and tumbling, it falls into the water. Kerplunk! The mixer truck is upside down now, drifting next to its friend. Here comes the super strong yellow bulldozer. Rumble. But even the mighty bulldozer can't stop on the slippery edge. Oh no! With a big cloud of dust, it plunges into the water too. The heavy bulldozer sinks deep, all the way to the riverbed. All three friends are trapped in the river and can't move. What will they do? Look! Far over the hill, a blue truck appears. Could it be? It's the blue tow truck, here to save the day. It's finally here. The blue tow truck bravely drives towards the dangerous riverside. It moves its crane, figuring out how to rescue its friends. Okay, first rescue. The crane extends and lowers its hook. Underwater, it finds the dump truck and hooks on tight. Clank. Heave ho! It powerfully lifts the wet dump truck. The first rescue is a success. Now, it carefully places the truck onto safe, dry land. Without a rest, it moves to rescue the second friend, the mixer truck. As the crane lifts the overturned truck, it spins back upright. Now, two friends stand side by side, watching the final rescue. The most difficult rescue, finding the bulldozer at the bottom of the river. Wow! With a mighty pull, it finally lifts the heavy bulldozer out of the water. Thanks to the hero tow truck, all three friends have been rescued safely. The friends shake their wheels, wiggling the last drops of water off. Now they follow the tow truck, leaving the dangerous river behind. Four brave vehicles heading towards a bright future together.
On a road so sunny and bright, three little trucks a happy sight. Red and green and yellow too. Vroom, 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 the whole day through. Red dump truck was driving fast, a happy moment meant to last. But the road ahead gave way. Splash, he fell in, oh what a day. Help me, was his cry as he floated slowly by. Green mixer bounced upon a stone, and with a little whir and groan, yellow dozer slipped and slid right into the place he hid. Now all three friends were in the stream, a very scary, watery dream. But wait, who's coming strong and true? It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you will save them once again. Down goes the hook with a little clink, pulls red dumper from the brink. Then green mixer spinning round is placed back safely on the ground. And yellow dozer from the deep, while his two friends watch and cheer. Hooray, he's coming strong and true. It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you again. Three little trucks are safe and sound on the solid, happy ground, following the hero blue and bright, driving off into the light. Vroom, 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 the adventure's done. Helping friends is always fun.
Vroom, vroom, racing happily down the winding dirt road. Screech! Oh no! The road is crumbling! The wheels are hanging in the air. Rumble. The ground gives way and I'm tipping over. Tumble, tumble, crash! I'm rolling all the way down the hill. Splash! I fell right into the chilly stream. Oh, I'm stuck in the water. Somebody, help me! Wee-woo, wee-woo! A friend is in trouble. The rescue team is on its way, lowering the rescue chain down carefully. Clink! Okay, it's hooked on tight and secure. Heave ho! Pull! Everyone, pull together with all your might! Drip, drip. The water is draining and I'm upright again. We did it! Now let's carefully pull you to safe ground. Vroom, vroom. I wonder what new adventure awaits today. Screech! Whoa! What's that big muddy puddle up ahead? Squish! Oh no! My wheels are sinking in the thick mud. Kerplunk! I flipped over and fell right into the muddy water. Wee-woo, wee-woo. Another emergency. The crane truck is racing to the rescue. You're completely underwater. Don't worry, we'll get you out. Splash! The heavy rescue chain is dropping into the murky water. Clink! Got it! The chain is hooked to the truck underwater. Slowly lifting our friend out of the muddy water. Thud! Setting you down. Chet, you're free! Thank you so much! Honk honk! Vroom vroom! All the brave truck friends are heading home together.
Vroom vroom on a sunny day, wheels are spinning, come and play. Let's go driving, you and me, happy as a truck can be. Orange tanker on the winding track, sees a corner, can't turn back. The ground goes crumble, a little slip, splash, right in the stream it dips. Oh no, help, the tanker cries with worried little headlight eyes. Wee woo, don't you fear, your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray! Yellow dumper, fresh and new, doesn't see the muddy goo. The wheels sink down, a wibble wobble. Kerplunk, now he's in a lot of trouble. Upside down and stuck so tight, everything has gone all wrong, not right. But look, a red crane tall and grand extends a hook with a steady hand, lifts him gently from the mess. Hooray! It's a big success. Wee woo, don't you fear, your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray! All the trucks are safe and sound, driving on the solid ground. Heading home, the sun is bright. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Good night, good night.